our wheels in the trunk and we don't wanna stop. No, we fucking don't, so we drop it in and leave a cloud of smoke. Everyone finna know where we fucking go, from the lines left on the fucking road. Cause we need to roam every time, need to go, meet up with the bros. One south cut, need a fucking cruise. Two sweet dead life, blowing fucking fumes.
Alright, let's check out the skis from last night. I don't even know if this camera's picking it up. I can't even see the screen. Oh, excuse me, I'm thinking about, hold on. Wait for this fucking car to fuck off. Oh my god, look at these ones. Look at these ones. Holy shit. Fucking oats. Let's see what the fuck is up today. Go down here. Oh well. Got bald tires. Fucking oath, welded diff life. So guys, you want to see more of this bad fucking girl in here? I've got a friend I can't even see in there. Piece of shit, but fresh engine swap, welded diff. Who wants to see some more? Give us a like and subscribe, eh?